Hello again and welcome to Pomona. I've got a very exciting listing, 5 Railway Parade Pomona. It's literally walking distance. Let's go.
Let me tell you about a boy I know.
Built in approximately 1915, this home has so many original features which include hardwood timber floors, VJ walls and ceilings, fretwork, coloured glass windows, French doors and more. Air conditioning and slow combustion wood fire heater keep you comfortable all year round. There's also a front and back veranda, perfect for any season. Fully fenced dog-proof yard, room for a pool and or shed with side access. The kitchen is spacious and character-filled with modern appliances including dishwasher with a freestanding 900mm oven and gas cooktop. Situated in one of Pomona's premier locations, it's walking distance to absolutely everything Pomona has on offer. Packed with all the original features and the mod cons too. This is an opportunity that you don't want to miss. I'm Sam from Hargrave Real Estate and I look forward to seeing you soon.
Telling that I'm all alone by the time I count from 1 to 4.